Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to block Bluetooth pairing requests step by step. Start by understanding risks and what you will change. Blocking pairing prevents unauthorized connections and data access on your device. First, check your device model and OS version. Also check Bluetooth version, for example Bluetooth 5.0. Gather account passwords and admin access if needed. Identify where pairing requests appear on screen. Prepare to change 3 settings areas: System Bluetooth, App Permissions, and Device Visibility or Discoverability. Now we will change settings on Android and iOS to stop pairing prompts. On Android, open Settings, then Bluetooth and toggle Bluetooth off, or set device to not discoverable. If you need Bluetooth on, remove all paired devices and disable scanning in nearby device settings. On iOS, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and either toggle it off or forget Bluetooth devices one by one. You can also disable Allow New Connections in Device Management where available. Finally, adjust App Permissions to block apps from using Bluetooth. Next, use advanced controls and best practices to harden Bluetooth security on your devices. Forget devices you no longer use and require PINs or passkeys for any new pairing attempts. Disable discoverability or set it to time-limited modes when you must pair temporarily. For persistent threats, consider disabling Bluetooth completely or using a hardware kill switch when you are away from the device. In business environments, deploy mobile device management and configure whitelist pairing policies to block unauthorized profiles and services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.